Hey guys, and I've got here with me is the Soundpeats Space headphones. Thanks Soundpeats for sending it over for the review. Basically, if you want to watch the unboxing of this headphones, link in the description. And let's go on with it. That this headphones is completely in plastic material except for the above portion. If you look closely, it's a fabric material above. It's quite comfy. Above also for the headrest. It's got the logo, the S symbols for the Soundpeats, and the writing over here, hear your imagination. Basically, this headphones is a good headphones at a cheaper price. We'll come to the price at the end. It's got 40 mm large dynamic diaphragm, and it also has the ANC mode, meaning active noise cancellation up to 35 decibels. Now the headphones can connect to two devices at the same time because it's got the Bluetooth 5.3 hardware, and at the bottom it's got a Type-C charging right here. They state that it can go on up to 123 hours of battery on a single charge, or 61 hours on ANC mode. Furthermore, Soundpeats also state that in low battery, if you're going to charge it for 10 minutes, you're going to get 12 hours of battery, like straight up. It's pretty impressive for the claim. And for the gaming mode, you can play with games, and the sound transmitters can go to minimum up to 65 milliseconds basically, but you need to install the Soundpeats app in order for that to work. And it's got also 4 external mics for ENC, that is the environment noise cancellation, to effectively reduce the background noise. So it does deliver a very good music, and it's also got a powerful bass. So for anyone who loves listening to music, these are the headphones that just does the job well. Now all this headphone, all these features, the pricing is 45 bucks. It's quite a good one, to be honest. Have used it more than like a couple of times, and have used it consistently, like more than 1 hour, and it's not, harsh on the ears. So it's pretty good headphones. Now it comes in 3 colors basically: black, white, and beige. So this one is the black one which I've got. Affiliate link for you guys to purchase this headphones in the description as well. Well, I hope you enjoy the review, and leave a comment below what do you think about this. Subscribe to this channel would be helpful, and catch you guys in the next video.